Got him. Oh. Right there, go. Got him.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Airsoft video. Again, bringing you guys some more sniper gameplay action. So, like I said before, guys, if you guys enjoyed any part of the video at all, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, as I'm continuing to posting more Airsoft sniper gameplay videos. Also, one more quick thing, if you guys want to look for some cool equipment and CQB setup needs, don't forget to check out Tap Airsoft on their website, and don't forget to use the promo code MATT. That will get you 10% off on your first purchase. But with that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Oh yeah, he saw me. Got him. You got him? Oh, nice. Alright, I'm gonna run up here to the... I'm gonna lay prone right here to this thing. Hit. It's all good, bro. It happens. Green coming in, green coming in.
Yellow coming back, yellow coming back. Go, go, go. We got a bomb, we got a bomb.
Oh, we got a bomb?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Go, keep moving.
Take it back, take it back. Yeah, take it back, take it back. Hey, good job, guys. Good push.
The push, right? Go, go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my same spot because I got friendly fire down there.
Oh, sorry. Hey, go right down. Okay. They got the bomb. Go. We'll cover you. Everything has to be pulled apart. Ooh. Right window by the back tires. See the tires?
Yeah.
Got him. Got the guy behind the bus. Got him. Got the dude behind the bus again.
Oh, I see him, I got like this tree thing right here. Oh, right here.
Nice. Oh, we both got him.
There's a 1-2 punch. That was sick. I'm gonna move up on this car again.
Okay, careful. Like I said, the white wall on the left side. There's
Yeah, those two kids.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run when they're not looking.
Give me a second. Let me scare them.
Woo. I'm ready. Ready? Go. Hey, right here. Are you green? Right here on this side. Yeah.
I'm green.
Okay. I didn't want to shoot. I just wanted to.
Thank you, that would have hurt.
No, yeah. Hey, Tom. 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 Where you're at?
Nobody's trying to call it. Mine's
In this window?
right here, this corner. You get this corner.
Okay, okay.
You can see straight through the van. I got your system.
Oh yeah, right here. Woo. Oh yeah.
Hey, keep it in our right place. Keep it in our right place. All right. Remember, that's where I was cooking the nest. Crow's nest. All right, crow's nest. Take them out. All right.
Oh look, I got right here in the window.
Yeah, two in the tower.
Oh, got him. Oh.
Is there guys pushing out of there? Yeah, there's a lot of them. Hey. Coming out right side. Right side, people, right side.
Oh, another one in the box?
Hey, they're pushing.
Oh, they got him, they got him.
Over here. Over in the woods.
On this side already?
Yeah, right there. Yeah. Hey, get him out, Ninja got some. Ooh. Or we're drawing some heat. I'm pinned. Huh? I'm pinned. Why, you gotta move? No.
They're shooting from the back corner there.
Yeah.
They're outside.
Damn, my gun can't reach that angle.
Hold on, Doc, real quick.
Do you have range on them right there?
I think I can hit him. I swear I see somebody moving.
There's a squad on the right. There's a squad of at least 2 or 3 on the right.
Got him.
Hey, we got people moving in on the right.
Alright. Oh, got him. Oh.
Is he still there?
Yeah, he's out. What guy? My RV's out.
The trench, can you get him from the trench or not?
Where? From back there? Oh yeah. I see him. Woo! They're up behind the RV. They're inside the RV now.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Well, now they got Oh, you got him.
Yeah.
Hey, anybody grenade?
Hey, they're right here in the RV. He's inside the RV. Inside the RV right here. I see him in the back corner.
The window.
Oh, I hit the barbecue dude's barbecue pit thing. It actually saved him. Yeah, he hit the lid up.
Nice.
Damn. Well played.
I want you gunners going downstairs.
Okay. They're in the hailstorm.
No one shoot full auto.
Oh, you gotta stop. Alright, I thought you didn't have to. You gotta stop?
No,
Oh, I got him.
DSR.
Alright.
Sniper.
Who's going full auto then?
Sorry.
I heard it from here. That's why I'm checking. We're good?
He's so thick.
Yeah, I've already picked up like 5 guys from that window, so it's got it
Still
covered.
in there.
Lock target. Yeah,
Oh, there we go. I got him. I'm gonna check around that band real quick. Oh, is that it? Oh, never mind. Never mind. Hey, good job, you guys. Good way to hold them.
I was gonna go out too. I'm like, you know what? Let me try outside.
That's a good job, you guys. Good job. Good job, guys. Way to hold it.
Alrighty guys, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed a lot of the cool, intense sniper gameplay action. Like I said, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you can stay up to date for all the newest action that's going on my channel. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Yeah.